Hi ladies, how are you doing today? I have a color comparison on the same wig with the same haircut, the same fiber, and I think those are most helpful. It's a little harder to compare the same color on a long straight style as opposed to a short choppy style like Santander here. By the way, I just recently did a video on Santander, and Santander has been discontinued. What? I have to rant about that for a second, but because it was just released like a year ago, I think. But I'm going to compare two colors. This is one I just got off eBay for brand new from a seller because I knew I wanted a second one, and my friend Rachel, the indecisive wig wearer, mentioned that since she has both colors, Crushed Almond Blonde R that I have on the other Santander, and this one, Milkshake Blonde R, she has both colors, and she said, it's amazing how similar these colors are. And she said, the number 8 root is pretty much the same as the so-called 18. So, I want to show you, she says it's not much darker, if any, than that. So, I want to show you, this is Santander in Crushed Almond Blonde R. Now, that is supposed to be a number 18 root, people. Not in my book. But, this is Milkshake Blonde R. This is, I'll tell you the differences in the color. It's not about the wig because it's been discontinued. You'll have to go look on eBay or look in somebody's clearance section. But they're going to be snapped up because this is a good wig. This is a good one. It's lightweight. It's airy. It's got enough hair to cover the wefts, but it's got no permatease. The cut is great. You can manipulate it. You can piece out cream. This is a very versatile piece. So, this is Milkshake Blonde R, okay? This is their number 8 root on Milkshake Blonde, okay? Now, the colors on Milkshake Blonde are, I would say, very, very slightly warmer and very, very slightly darker overall than Crushed Almond Blonde. Now, the roots, to me, the difference in the roots is in the tone. I do not know if it's going to come across on here. I cannot edit this to save my life to make it show what I see with my own eyes because it skews the other color, and I'd rather not do that. But Crushed Almond, Milkshake. I don't know if you could even see, okay? There they are. Okay. I don't see, there's not a hill of beans difference between these two colors. I will tell you. And I'll turn around so that you can see. Let me push this out just a hair, a little bit more. And let's see if I can stay in the frame. So, Crushed Almond, Milkshake. Can you see anything? It's early morning. The bright sun's coming in outside. I'm having to go back to the house because it's getting in my eyes out here. But Crushed Almond, to me, is slightly lighter overall, and it is maybe a little, I don't know, it's odd. It's like it's a little bit cooler. It's like, I would call it a cool tone, but not excessive, not silvery. To me, in certain lights, it has more warmth in it, more yellow, if you want to say. And it's not really yellow, but more yellow in it than this one does. Now this one, I don't even know. I'll have to put the color description up on the screen if I can remember to do that. But yeah, I mean, they're both, it's a wonderful wig. I don't know, there's not that much difference in the colors. And even though this says it's an 18 root, I think the only real difference is, and it may be just these two pieces that I have, because, you know, consistency is not the forte of most of these retailers, these manufacturers. I think Crushed Almond Blonde's root is maybe a little bit more neutral to ashy, and this has the ever so slightly more warmth into this root. I don't think it's going to come across on camera. It looks more brownish in certain lights. These are both beautiful colors, people. Beautiful, beautiful colors. If you like one, you're going to like the other. I can almost, I bet money on it, okay? If you like one, you'll like the other. Like I said, this is a little bit lighter overall, even though this, I think this might have a little more dimension. Milkshake may have a little more dimension. I don't know. Both are gorgeous, and I hope this helps And I hope everybody's okay, staying cool, because this is a hot, cruel summer. Let me tell you. Bye, ladies.